to my channel. This week we're going to be decorating for Christmas and I'm so excited. This is my favorite time of year, my absolute favorite holiday, and so I really love to kind of go big with the decorations for Christmas. This week we're going to be decorating the outside of the house. We're going to be putting up some lights, different outside decorations that we have, a gigantic inflatable Santa that waves his hand, so some fun little decor things are going to be going on outside. And I'll be sharing all of my inside decorating with you guys on my Instagram and TikTok and YouTube shorts. So if you want to see any of those things and what I'm going to be doing to decorate inside the house, how I'm going to use some of the DIYs I've made in the past, decorating our tree, all those sorts of things, I'll link all of my handles for those below for you guys if you haven't already followed me on them. And we're going to head on outside and start decorating. Alright, so we are about to head out and start our lighting on the outside of the house. And to do that this week, we're going to be partnering with a brand that I love and have worked with many times, XM Cozy, and they were nice enough to send over some really beautiful Christmas lights for us to use on the outside of our house. And this one here is 123 feet long, so it's quite long and it should cover a good portion of our front yard because we do have a smaller front yard. I'm really excited to see these up, and these are smart lights as well, so they're very similar to the ones that we used on Halloween with XM Cozy. I'm really excited to be able to play with that because we usually just have standard colorful lights or white lights that you get at the store. We don't get to usually mix up our colors like this and have it be really festive and fun. And something else that I really like about these lights is that they have a really cool kind of like crystal look to them. You can see that they have angles on the light bulb itself, and so it makes it look really crystally, icically, and just kind of really gives me that Christmas feel. So I think these are perfect for decorating the outside of the house for Christmas time. We'll be able to connect to the XM Cozy app and change the colors, the intensity. We can put different color themes or holiday themes. We can also connect it to music so that the lights will change with the music and kind of create like a little Christmas light show. And this is all done through Bluetooth, so you can do this remotely anywhere you are and make sure that your house is lit up the way that you want it to all throughout the holiday season. They also have an auto on and off and a timer that you can set up, so you can set them to turn on at sunset and turn off at sunrise, or however you want to do it to make sure that it's really simple and streamlined, and once you put them up, you're just kind of good to go for the rest of Christmas time. And something that's really cool about these lights in particular is that you can set every single individual light to be its own color. So if you wanted every single light to be different, you could do that, or you can put patterns or random, however you want to do it. It's totally customizable. And XM Cozy's lights also work through Amazon smart devices in your home, so you can voice command them, have different cues set up so that you can just kind of say to your smart device whatever you want them to do, and it will go ahead and do that. They're really easy to use. They're super beautiful. They're LED, so they have a really nice bright light to them, but it's not an LED that's like too intense. It's a very soft hue and it gives that nice holiday vibe. And I'll also go ahead and link all of their information in the description box for you guys, as well as the lights that I'm using today, so that you can just go ahead and order those really easily if you want to use the same ones for your home. We're gonna go ahead and head outside and set up our XM Cozy Christmas lights. We're also gonna put out some of our other decorations so that we can see how everything looks outside together. Alright guys, well that wraps up this week's video. I hope that you enjoyed decorating the outside of our house with us for Christmas. I absolutely love how it turned out. I think it looks so beautiful and just really cohesive, which I love. We ended up using the crystal-like XM cozy lights that I got for Christmas, but I also added in the ones that I got for Halloween so that we could have one streamlined look across the front of the house. And I'm super excited about that because most years we end up having like a couple lights that die and then we have to get a replacement and they never match. And so it's always a little bit off. This is the first year that we have everything just kind of like one look, and it's so beautiful. I'm really looking forward to decorating the inside of the house so that we can see it all together and have the entire Christmas vibe. It's my absolute favorite time of the year. I love having the house decorated for Christmas. It just makes me happy every time I see it. Definitely make sure to check out my Instagram and TikTok for some little videos on decorating inside the house as I start to kind of chip away at that. And a big thank you to XM Cozy for sponsoring this week's video. They make such amazing lights. As you guys know, I've worked with them many times and we have their lights all over our house. They're absolutely beautiful, super durable, and just really easy to use. You kind of just like plug them in and they're good to go. And the app for the smart lights is very intuitive, very easy to follow along with. One of my favorite things about it is that it's so customizable that you can make your lights look however you want them to, which is amazing because you can really make your decorations super special. So if you're looking for any lights this holiday season, make sure to check out XM Cozy. They have a really beautiful selection. They will definitely make your home decorations look absolutely gorgeous this year. So I will link all of their information in the description box below. And if you enjoyed this week's video, make sure to leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of the decorations, what you would add, what you would do differently. Give me some ideas for next year. I love hearing the different ideas for decorating. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next Sunday.